Yum 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 yum. Delicious pea soup. Hi everybody. On this cold winter's day, we've decided to make lovely pea soup. We're going to have a lovely Eisbein in there. We don't want to show them my old crusty book.
No! No!
And we are done. And now all we have to do is wait 3 hours. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Ooh, it's coming along nicely.
2 hours later.
Looking fantastic, oh my. Yo, that's gonna be delicious, eh?
A few moments later.
Clearly, we left it a bit long. This is what not to do, is to leave it in too long. Our soup is looking fantastic though, I have to tell you. Seriously, that's bad. Even in a plate. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness. Do you want some? I'm sorry, but you can't have any.
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
Yum 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 yum.
Okay.